Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we extended the threading.thread class. However, sometimes you want to run a method from a class that already exists and cannot inherit from thread. This technique, where you pass an instance method of a normal class as the target to the thread constructor, is a flexible approach. 1. Defining a regular class task. Here we define a simple class, FileManager, which does not inherit from threading.thread. It holds data like file name and has a method, processFile, which we want to run in a separate thread. This method accepts an argument, mode. This class is decoupled from the threading logic, which is an advantage for clean architecture. 2. Running the method as a thread target. The key step here is creating the thread instance. Instead of passing a standalone function, we pass the instance method, FileManager.processFile, to the target argument. When Python sees this, it correctly binds the method to the object instance. The arguments for the method, in this case, read-only, are passed to the args tuple as usual. When .start parenthesis is called, the processFile method is executed concurrently. 3. Advantages of this approach. This method is often preferred because it separates the business logic, which is the FileManager class, from the concurrency logic, which is handled by threading.thread. The FileManager remains a regular class that can be used in both threaded and non-threaded contexts, making the code more modular and reusable. This is a powerful technique for integrating existing classes into a multi-threaded design. To summarize, you now know 2 ways to create a thread using classes. Our next lecture 26.07, Multithreading in Action. See you there.